Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, November 29, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How is your coffee today?
Hi, David. Good morning. My coffee is hot and strong. Perfect for the day.
Great. I need this coffee. I am so tired from yesterday's sales calls. They went on forever.
Yes, I see that. You look a bit sleepy. I have a busy project meeting later. Coffee helps me focus.
True. It wakes me up every time. Did you sleep well last night?
Not bad. I watched some news before bed. Kept me thinking.
Me too. Hey, did you see the news this week? So much to talk about. Crazy stuff.
Yes, some big news. Which one first? Tell me.
The big scandal in Ukraine. About Energodom, you know it?
Oh yes. Energodom is their nuclear company. Very important there.
Right? There is a huge corruption scandal. People in the company steal money, a lot of money.
It is a real disaster for Ukraine. Very bad for trust in leaders.
Yes. It is like a textbook example of corruption. Everyone in the news talks about it now.
True. Now the EU may give less support. Less money for Ukraine because of this.
Exactly. Bad for their whole economy. Energy prices go up everywhere because of it.
Yes, it affects the energy business too. Our projects here use a lot of energy.
For sales, it is really hard. Customers worry about rising costs all the time now.
Good point. We need stable energy prices for good projects, right?
Yes. Imagine if our coffee machine had corruption, it would steal our coffee beans.
Haha. Yes, lucky it works fine today. No stealing here.
This news makes me think about energy costs and sales. Tough times ahead.
True. Projects get delayed if energy prices rise too much. Big problem for timelines.
Customers call me every day. They ask David, why are prices so high now? Hard to answer nicely.
I understand. In projects, we plan budgets early. Sudden changes hurt a lot.
Hey, at least our office is honest. No one steals coffee or paper here.
Yes, good team we have. Now what else is in the news this week?
Let me get more coffee first. This cup is almost empty.
Good idea. I will wait. Take your time.
Okay, back. Feeling better now. Another news I saw.
Tell me, I am ready.
Something about Larry Summers, the economist guy from Harvard.
Larry Summers. Yes, he worked at Harvard and in government before.
What happened? Sounds interesting.
His career has many controversies over years. Now new Epstein emails come out.
Oh no, Epstein again? That man is in scandals everywhere. Never ends.
Yes, the emails show Summers had frequent messages with Epstein. Private ones now public.
Bad for his name and reputation? Emails are supposed to be private, right?
They were private before. Now everyone sees them big talk in the news.
In our office, we must be very careful with emails too. Always.
Yes, very true. Projects need clean and professional communication. No risks like that.
Imagine if my sales emails got leaked. Total disaster for targets and clients.
Haha, yes. Always check before you send. Be professional every time.
This news makes me want to check my inbox right now. Double check everything.
Smart move. What do you think about Summers? Does it change your view?
It shows even famous people have big issues, just like us normal ones.
Yes, like in our office projects. Problems happen sometimes, but we handle them.
True, but we fix them fast with teamwork. No big scandals here.
Good point. We learn from news like this. Keeps us careful.
Yes. Now my coffee is cold. Need a hot one? Want more?
No thanks, I'm good. Another topic?
Yes. One more big news about immigration.
Immigration? Tell me more.
Trump immigration crackdown. It is coming with force.
Yes, it has a catchy name, sounds very strong and tough.
Catchy name? What is it exactly? I forget.
I forget the exact name too. But it is about tight borders and workers.
Trump likes these strong plans for borders and immigration control.
Yes. Very controversial. Many people talk and protest about it.
In sales, immigration affects our workers a lot. We hire from many places.
True. Projects need good teams from everywhere in the world.
If rules get too tight, it is hard to hire the right people. Big issue.
Yes. Business impact is huge. We need to change strategies now.
Customers ask me about it. Can we still hire from abroad? They worry.
In projects, we plan teams early. Now it is harder to build them.
We have to adapt fast, like we always do in sales.
Yes, the world changes fast. We must follow and adjust.
These 3 news are crazy. Every week something new. Keeps us on toes.
Agree. It keeps life interesting. Good for morning talks like this.
But our work stays the same. Coffee meetings, targets.
Yes, is your project on time today?
My sales targets are good this week. Hope it continues.
Great. I have that big meeting soon. A bit nervous.
You will do well. You always prepare good.
Thanks. What about your day? Big plans?
Yes. Big client call later. Need to sell hard.
Good luck with that. You are great at sales.
Thanks, Alex. You too with your project meeting.
Thanks, David. See you tomorrow. Same time here?
Yeah, see you. Have a good day. Enjoy the meeting.
You too. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.